everyone, my name is Aviona and welcome to Travel Rehab. And you're here again, and this would be my last episode on how to apply or how to become a physical therapist here in the US. I'm indeed grateful for all of you guys watching this video, and for me, this has been a wonderful experience. And I do apologize I wasn't able to upload for this week's video. However, this would be my last application on how to become a physical therapist. But moving forward, I also wanted to share my tips on my next episode on how to pass the TOEFL exam. I think you're ready, and let's go ahead and look into that. Hello, welcome back. Travel Rehab. This is Aviona again. This is your approval letter. So if you haven't seen the previous video that I made about getting your license in Illinois, so this is it. This is the continued version of that video, and it says here that in this letter it says that your application for the examination has been approved. Complete the enclosed examination registration form and forward it together with a copy of this letter and the correct fee to the Continental Testing Service Incorporated, or the CTS, and you will receive authority to test letter from the Professional Examination Service informing you of the procedure to schedule for the examination. So once you register at the Continental Testing Services in Illinois, I know that we're like foreign trained physical therapists pretty soon. When we are applying on this one, just giving you a heads up that CTS is a testing service for those professionals who would like to get their license and be a licensed physical therapist in that state. On top of that, I would like to be of help to you that after doing this, you will go to the CTS website and I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so when you click on your CTS, this is how it looks like. However, if you wanted to register for an examination, it will look like this. So you just have, let's say for example, you don't know the website of the Continental Testing Service, you can just type in the search bar Continental Testing Service. Now, once you go through with that, you will see here, log into Continental Testing Services. Now, in this login or the Continental Testing Service, you will see this here. Once you, this page, your login fill out form, and you will see that they will ask for last four digits of your social security number. But since we're a foreign trained, we can use our alternate identification number from FSBPT. Our last name, our birth date, entity, and profession. So the profession is registered physical therapist. The entity is IDFPR. There's a lot of services that they have had here. They are general contractor. If you wanted to be a general contractor, Chicago only, IDFPR, and now they're catering Wisconsin, state of Wisconsin as well. So yeah, I think pretty much that's what you're going through after you receive, or after you get to this process. In this letter, you will see the attached sheet for completion of the green examination registration form. So you will, on top of these letter that you will receive, you also receive a green examination registration form, and you fill that out for final filing date to Continental Services, and you can just mail it to them on this 100 LaGrange, Illinois 60525. To make an inquiry to CTS, you may call the following telephone number on this 708-354-9911. However, you wouldn't have to worry of what stated in the letter. As soon as you applied for the application for a license in IDFPR, you will definitely receive this, and it will give you an instruction on what you would do.
And once you're done with that, you go to your FSBPT exam registration, or the Federation of State Boards of Physical Therapy. Now, the examination nowadays for physical therapists is $485, the same fee with the PTA as well. So they have been the same. Now, if you go to a state that has jurisprudence examinations, you would definitely have to pay this kind of fee. In Alabama, that's $65, Arizona, $65, California, District of Columbia, Florida, Nebraska, and Ohio, they do have a jurisprudence examination, which is $65. Now, the JAM as well, this is the jurisprudence examination. There's a JAM, which is Jurisprudence Assessment Module. And if you go to Georgia, Hawaii, New Hampshire, New Jersey, Oregon, Texas, which is initial licensure application, you wouldn't have to pay. But for the second examination, if you fail the JAM exam in Texas, you will have to take it again, and you have to pay for that fee, which I'm not sure how much would that be. However, you also have, the license that you have, it will take like 2 years, and you have to renew your license again. And for licensure renewal, you only have to pay $48. Yeah, so that's a very good thing. Now, going forward, after you're done and registering for your examination, you just have to go to a Prometric. Prometric is a testing center for you to take your NPTE exam. Basically, you will just have to click register now. Once you click on register now, it will lead you to a place where you just fill out your name, your address, your telephone number, everything that you needed for that. So basically, this is my FSBPT ID, but if you are a different person, you can just see a different way to see it, not like this, because this is my FSBPT ID. Anyway, I guess that's about it. And on top of that, before I end this is your Prometric examination. Now, before we end this video, I just want you to know that this is a very good way of saying that I want to give back to all of you who wanted to practice their profession here in the US. And I hope that you enjoy my video very much. And if you did, if you wanted to share it with everybody who would be benefiting on this video, just give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel as I go forward and talk about next video. I'm thinking of doing the TOEFL and video, how to pass your TOEFL examination. However, if you want me to talk about visa application or US visa interview as well, that would be nice as well. So either or, I will just still upload it anyway. But if you have any comments, just don't hesitate to comment down below and suggest something for me to tackle. All right. Thank you very much, and I'm really grateful to have you on my channel, and I hope to see you again soon.